A huge, ridiculous alt season is coming to the crypto market. Most people will miss completely of it and will hold the wrong coins on the next altcoin explosion. In this video, we're going to show you the chart that predicting that. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and welcome back to Crypto Mindset. Let's look on the chart. This is Bitcoin dominance, okay? Bitcoin dominance, all right? This is a daily chart here. We're looking on the daily chart. All right, as you can see here, this thing is forming a bear flag. What is a bear flag? A bear flag is you have a pole and you have the flag, and a bear flag is bearish pattern, okay? Bitcoin dominance, you want it to be bearish, then altcoins going bananas. You want it to collapse, okay? When Bitcoin dominance is collapsing, that means altcoin dominance are going up, mainly fueled by the likes of Ethereum and XRP. Now, it doesn't matter if you're not holding these coins, your coins should pump with it. And if they are not, you're doing a disservice to yourself and you're missing out this bull market. Now, this Bitcoin dominance is now, we had this, the beginning. We believe alt season already started, okay? Already started in July on the ETH strength. We're going to show you the ETH BTC chart as well in a bit. But you can see that was the top, we believe, on the Bitcoin dominance, or local top on the Bitcoin dominance here in July. Bitcoin broke out and altcoins went much better. Okay, altcoin did much better, like XRP, Ethereum, and many other names. Now, you had your first leg down. Okay, that was the first move down here. Okay, that was the first move down. Now, this is a bear flag. Okay, again, we speculate it's a bear flag. By the way, this is not a financial advice. Nothing he says is a financial advice. We don't want you to buy anything. Don't buy nothing. All right. Now, just listen. Just hear us out. Okay, this is the leg one on the dominance. Now, we believe this thing here, the consolidation here, this been here from July 23rd all the way to now we are in August 7th. Okay, we're still inside this consolidation here, this sideways range. This is the flag. Okay, it's like, it's kind of a bear flag. Okay, you can see it consolidating here, and we believe, again, we believe once this thing, if this thing will break down here in the next couple of days or weeks, hopefully in the next couple of days, you're gonna start seeing the altcoin market going bazook. Okay, bazooki, just like in July. Now, again, most coins will not trend higher, will not explode. Again, maybe they are, but most of them will just stay bearish and rubbish because they are still bearish. You want to be positioned in the right coins, okay? You don't want to be positioned in the wrong coins. You don't want to be waiting for your coins to pump. If your coins didn't pump in July, you're holding the wrong coin, and they're probably not going to pump as well in August, okay? You want to be focusing on being positioned in the right coins that are trending and printing, okay? These are the coins you want to focus on. You don't want to focus on rubbish that is not moving, okay? Now, we believe the next leg down is coming. This is one thing. Now, the bear flag, okay, the bear flag should take you, you can see the measured move of the bear flag on the dominance, once it's going to break, should take the dominance to around 56%. All right, 56%, maybe to this area, before another probably consolidation, resting period, or a bounce, or a Bitcoin bounce, whatever, Bitcoin dominance bounce. But you can see, but we need to clear that level. We need to clear that a lower, upper trend line here, and the low. Take the 60%. Pretty much, you need to break below 60%, close below it, and then you see altcoins going nuclear. Okay, they're gonna go nuclear again. Not all of them, few of them. All right. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. We give you a little clues, but really, if you want to get all our trade alerts, man, all our trade alerts will go nuclear, man, just like they did in July. Join our VIP, link below, or in the top left corner if you want to join Elite VIP. If you trade with 6 digit and above, and you're looking for serious service, a serious support and guidance, join Elite VIP. Now, this is the bear flag is one green flag, one actually very bullish indicator for me to be positioned into altcoins, okay, heavily. Okay, now a second very, very bullish check mark we have is we broke below, the 200-day. You see, this is the green line, the 200-day MA. As long as it's above it, it's in the bull market. Bitcoin dominance is in a bull market. That was a little fake out and it came back down. This could still be as well a fake out. You want to see it remain below the 200-day MA. All right. And we're looking for a death cross. The death cross on the Bitcoin dominance will confirm the biggest alt season of the cycle. You had no death cross on the dominance confirmed this cycle. No, nothing happened. No death cross. The last death cross on the dominance that was significant was in February 2021. And you know what happened in February 2021 to altcoin traders. You probably don't know, because most people don't know what is trading altcoin season. They just joined this cycle like last week. But anyway, this is going to create enormous bullishness for altcoins. When we're gonna get the death cross, make sure to subscribe, click the bell so you will not miss out. We're gonna keep you posted once the death cross is happening. Also, follow me on X. Man, X is brilliant. We're posting amazing content on X, philosophy, posts, coin picks. Man, follow on X. X is the daddy. Now, that's the second great thing we have, great indicator, the death cross that is coming. Again, knock, knock, knock. We don't want to jinx it. Now, another thing, okay, that you want to watch is momentum, okay? Momentum, let's look on the weekly, okay? The weekly chart, you can see, by the way, we had a bear break here of a rising wedge. That's another bullish behavior. And you had a huge red candle here showing the bear break of the dominance, which is very bullish for crypto as a whole, for crypto and especially for altcoins. Now, looking on stochastic RSI, look at the weekly chart, okay? Weekly stochastic just gave you a bearish, I'll show you again, bearish divergence here. Price went up, the dominance went up, but the RSI went lower here, lower high on the bearish divergence. Look on the 2-week, sir. See the cross down on the 2-week and a bearish divergence on the 2-week chart from the November mini alt season we had. You can see went higher, but it's going lower. Okay, it's going lower now. So this is bullish for altcoins. Momentum, they're getting momentum. It's getting wrecked. Now, this is very good. Now let's look on the monthly cross down. Monthly, when the Bitcoin dominance monthly stochastic crossing down, you want to be positioned into altcoins. You see, last time we had this cross down, that was the XRP banana zone. Last November, XRP, XLM, HBAR, whoa, went bananas. Okay, if you missed on those, you're not professional. You couldn't miss on those. It was like, you go into like a restaurant and you're not taking the steak, you just take like a tuna fish or whatever rubbish, you know what I mean? Anyway, this is another bullish sign, monthly crossing down. We're gonna keep you posted later as this hopefully going lower and lower into the bearish territories, which will fuel the biggest alt season of the cycle. That's what we believe. Okay, now this is the most important chart. Next chart you want to watch is ETH BTC. Okay, ETH BTC, 1 second, sir. ETH BTC, by the way, smash the like, subscribe to the channel, smash the like, give us a like, share it on your X, share this video on your X. Guys, give us a like, subscribe, leave a comment as well. What do you think about this analysis on the dominance? ETH BTC, look at ETH BTC chart. ETH BTC, take a clean chart here, the most undervalued wrecked chart in crypto, okay, which bottomed here. Okay, ETH BTC, we believe, bottomed on April 2025 after complete collapse. Let's look on the momentum. We got momentum and we're getting stochastic RSI on the monthly crossing back up on ETH BTC chart. First time ever a good cross from the lows with bullish divergence on the monthly since September 19th. You know what? And it's actually, you can see here, since, let's call it January 2020. You can see it broke above that high and it went to the 30, above the 30 on the reading on the stochastic chart. Man, this tells you Again, on balance of probability, nothing is guaranteed. This is not a financial advice. We don't have a crystal ball. But on balance of probabilities, this chart saying more up. And when if BTC is saying more up, that means Bitcoin dominance more down, which means alt season more up, and more up. Okay, that's what we believe. Let's look also on the daily chart with the moving averages. It broke above the 200. We got a golden cross on ETH BTC for the first time, since very long time, since 2022. You had a golden cross here, and that was short-lived. Here you get a golden cross from the low, and you consolidate here. That's bullish to me. Anyway, guys, make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel. By the way, if you trade crypto from the US, Canada, Australia, wherever, man, make sure you get yourself a Bitunix account. Link below. Get yourself an account. They give you deposit. Maybe deposit. They give you a bonus. Ridiculously low trading fees. Stop trading on crypto.com, Coinbase, all this rubbish, Kraken. Start trading on Bitunix. We have tutorials on how to use Bitunix on the description below. Easy to use, friendly, no VPN, no KYC. The most ridiculous chip ever, fees ever, and the best exchange I ever used, man. Really, really. It's the best. The top. Check it out. Free to open an account. Free to open an account. 8 years crypto traders telling you, try it out, man. It's absolutely for free. Link below. Use the crypto mindset for the best fees and the best campaign. And also, guys, we want to thank you for watching the video. We want to thank you for watching the video, and we want to invite you to our trading community, our VIP, because this is the final move now. When we get in the altcoin season, that's usually near the top. Okay, you're gonna have maybe 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, whatever max. Once you're gonna get the full-blown altcoin bananas. And that's the best time to join our service. We trade crypto, okay? We're not going to tell you hold these coins for years because the market is going to top soon, okay? You want to trade them. You want to treat them all as a short-term swing trade. They can be a couple of weeks, couple of months. That's it. You take your profit. We show you our strategy, how to take profits, how to use stops, how to buy breakouts. By the way, if you join VIP, make sure to check your messages on WAP. You're going to get a message from me with videos on how to buy the breakouts. Very simple, how to set up the trade on the exchanges. Easy peasy. Check it out. And also, we have a discount summer sale special for the last alt season. Use the coupon code on checkout. Join our VIP. And by the way, if you trade with 50K and above, man, check out our elite VIP. This is for serious people, serious investors that looking to make crypto trading a career, that need a coach, that need guidance, that want the best. And we're going to give you the mega trades. I'm going to give you a private, personal trades that I'm sharing only with my elite VIP members. So check it out. And if you join VIP, check your WAP messages, book a call with me ASAP. See you in the next video. Cheers.